What's going on?
What are you doing here?
So you told me surfing is for royals. I was preparing for Royal Hawaiian Hotel. Let's go and check it out. But I need to get my suitcase. I'm ready for a Royal Hawaiian Hotel. And probably I need to take a shower. And before we start, hit the like button. So guys, we just checked in to this beautiful suite. Unfortunately, we have 2 beds and we would like to 1 king bed. But look at this giant living room. It's unbelievable big, and we have like some guest restroom, we have bar, we have like everything huge here. So let's go and check another suite with 1 king bed. You know, like I love this suite. Look at this.
Yeah,
You can
it's
make a
giant.
party here, you know. And
Yeah.
look at this table. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm like a king in Hawaii. Aloha.
Let's go.
So here you go, they found for us like a larger suite and with beautiful king bed. And let's check what do we have here.
Our historical king suite is approximately 900 square feet and it costs over $1,000 per night.
Worth it? Let's check what do we have here in this 1 bedroom suite. Here we have 1 bedroom suite, and here is the living room, and I love this living room because like here we have this sitting area and coffee table for whole family, and on this side we have this dining table, and of course, you know, like we are in Hawaii and we have this mini bar with a fridge and coffee station. On this side we have like TV, and now I'm gonna show you the bedroom. Let's go. So here you go. This is the master bedroom, and here we have this beautiful king bed. We have 2 nightstands, we have giant TV, we have this TV nook. By the way, the ceiling is super high here. So, and now let's go and check the bathroom. And here is the bathroom. So here in the bathroom we have 6 doors, and here we have some separate bathroom, and here we have 2 sinks, we have like 3 closets, and the main idea of this bathroom, we have door to living room. So you know guys, this hotel is pink. Outside is pink and a lot of pink colors inside. And of course in the bathroom we have pink bathrobe, we have luxury amenities, so everything is pink here. So here we have 1 closet, 2nd closet, and 3rd closet. And now I'm gonna show you special trick of this room. You can round and round the bathroom. This is like almost 100 years old hotel, and the smell of this room is so bad. Yeah, I want to open the window and turn on air condition and go outside to the ocean.
The Royal Hawaiian Hotel is also called the Pink Palace of the Pacific. And you can see this hotel in lots of movies, TV shows, and even a computer game. And this hotel has one of the most beautiful common grounds of the island. So let's go and check it out.
This is probably the best common grounds in Hawaii, and everything in old style.
So when the hotel opened in 1927, they had this black tie party, and it was $10 per table, $10 per plate, which is an equivalent of $1,000 per one person. And by the way, here we have the historical part, the original hotel, and over there we have a newer part that they've just added. So when you make a reservation, make sure you choose wherever you want, like a new part or a historical part.
Aloha! So, the best you can do here, drink Mai Tai or Pina Colada next to the beach.
The Royal Hawaiian Hotel opened in 1927 as a 5-star luxurious beachfront hotel, and at the time when it opened, believe it or not, but it was pretty much empty on this coast. There was just like maybe 1 or 2 other hotels. The members of Royal Family of Hawaii used to stay here a lot, and also different politicians and all the wealthy families from the United States, along with presidents like Roosevelt and lots of stars from the Hollywood.
So, and now let's check the dusty places. This couch 100 years old. Let's check. And here is clean. Old but clean.
It's not 100 years old, come on. The hotel was renovated in 2008.
And here is clean. Look. Wow. And now let's check the chair. Ready? This chair is clean. Let's check under the TV stand. So here is clean. And now let's go and check the bedroom. So usually under the nightstand it's super dusty, but let's check this one.
Are you kidding me?
Doesn't matter. So under this one is super clean. So under the bed is clean. And now let's check this drawer. And here is clean. I have an idea. Let's check this TV nook. And this guy is clean. Oh no, I found it. I found it. Diamond. Yeah, it's a diamond. Yeah, you know guys, it's like a diamond couch. And now let's check the headboard. The headboard is clean. And let's check this door frame. This door frame a little bit dusty. And now let's check TV. Clean.
How do you know?
Because everything is clean here. Unfortunately, the bathroom is clean. So, you know, the smell here is very bad. So probably we have some yellow stain. Let's check. No yellow stain. So what's cool about this room, we have this exit door. So if you have uninvited guests, you can run away from this door. And enter here. And here in the hall we have a lot of old doors. Each room has like our. Morning guys, the bed is so good and now we're heading to the breakfast and I'm gonna try the pinkish pancakes. For the breakfast I have French toast, she has pinkish pancakes, fruits and some continental breakfast. But continental breakfast is not so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Try it.
Yeah, it's good. And the best part is here is you. So guys, overall it's a perfect stay in Hawaii and this Royal Hotel probably the best luxurious hotel here. And the feeling here exactly the same like in Hawaii. You feel this aloha vibe. So we are staying at historical part of this hotel and this room almost like 100 years old. And here you can feel it, this old smell in this room. But they have new tower, you can stay there.
And also they have so many fun activities here for all the guests staying here, like hula class dancing, ukulele class dancing, or surf class. But unfortunately all of them were fully booked for our dates. And we wish they just let us know a little bit in advance that we need to make reservations. And also the pool area here is very tiny, but anyways we prefer ocean, so it wasn't a big deal for us. Just something small for you to know.
So guys, thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel. I'm swimming back to California, so see you in next video.